Hi, my name is Dean Trung, and I am exercise and bioscience major. I am actually doing research on this rectus femoris muscle. And one of the concerns I have is the sequestration recently made cuts to research labs and the sciences. What would you do to prevent this from affecting CSULA?
Go ahead, Hector.
Okay, I know you asked budget cuts affecting different lab departments and different departments on campus. We need to have in mind that the budget cuts are coming from the state level. Absolutely, we need to send lobbyists to represent the students. I know ASI is part of CSSA, and CSSA is a 23 campuses come together lobby program that we have to represent the students. I feel that's just not enough. We need to have ASI funding lobby corps as legislative affairs. Not only legislative affairs, but also a lobby corps program that we have in ASI hasn't been exercised in years. We need to recruit students. Students like yourself, like the one that just asked the question. We need students like you who want to empower our campus, who are interested in joining programs, who are interested in representing CalCLA students. How we do it is also, we need to go into private donors. I know when you hear private donors, it sounds like corporations trying to come here and trying to throw money at a department for them to carry the corporation's purpose. I'm not saying corporations. When I say private donors, I say alumni. Alumni that graduated from CalCLA. I know many of us don't know that the owner of the Clippers was a CalCLA alumni. Why don't we ask him for some of his money? Right? Politely. We need to ask for funds. Request for funding to fund our department. So we need alumni. So my plan is to create an ASI alumni funding program where alumni could fund directly to ASI. For ASI to have a budget where we could fund departments. And also so we could create, as the Alumni Association, for us to create funding for every department. So if an alumni graduates from political science department, that alumni is going to be more willing to donate to the Political Science Association department here on campus, and also for the lab departments here.
All right, Hector, time is up.
So vote for Hector.
Time is up, Hector. Go ahead.
Hi. Unfortunately, lobbying is not going to work to help us get out of this hole. These cuts happen at the federal level. We can't change them at the state in Sacramento. Instead, what we need to do, we need to have ASI partner with research labs to do two things. One, advocate for more money here on campus. Again, we appoint students committees. Let's use that. Let's use that to get money allocated to research labs from our general funding here on the university. Second, we need to have ASI partner with these research labs again to act as a mediator between, you mentioned corporations that you didn't want to get, but maybe some corporations, individuals, alumni, anybody who's willing and interested in helping to sponsor research that they can use to put their name on. That way we can help them and help our own research labs here on campus.
Sasha, go ahead.
Thank you, Dean. That's a very good question. And that's a three-part question, too. We have to look at what we would do before, during, and after. So beforehand is something that we need to take care of now, and what we need to start doing now because it's obvious that these cuts are happening. So we need to really promote what we're doing at this campus as far as research goes. We need to make it really clear that research is very valuable to this campus, that CalState does participate in research, that we do a lot here. And so we really need to showcase the value that that has at this university to show that we are a powerhouse when it comes to scientific research. During, what we need to do is, if that was to happen, we need to go straight to the top. So we need to go and ask our senators to fight on behalf of us at the federal level to prevent those cuts from happening, or to either offset those cuts, whatever needs to happen. If they can't be prevented, maybe to cut from somewhere else. And we need to express to them why that's so serious. And after that point, if it does happen, which let's hope it doesn't, but if it does happen, we need to react fast. We need to reach out to scientific organizations. We need to showcase some of the work that we have done and explain explain to people what exactly it is that we're doing here at the university. Dean just said that he's doing research. So we can use some of that research and present it to other scientists and show them that we are active on this campus. Another thing we can also do is reach out to the Alumni Association. Cal State LA's ASI has yet to even touch on Alumni Association and even try to get that money. So we should definitely try to dip into that if something like that does happen. We should be able to reach out to them and express to them that this is something really serious and this campus definitely needs that money. Thank you.
All right, so the questions that I have for you are a little bit broad. They're probably questions that you've seen with the other candidates because if any of you win this position, you will be governing the whole system. So the first question is, how important is shared governance to you, and what plans